There are lots of different ways to use the Kirklees Send local offer to find the information that you need. Starting on the home page, you can click here, which says Information for Parents and Carers. This brings up the Information and Advice landing page, which has lots of information in lots of different categories. If something's got a plus next to it, it means that there's more pages underneath that. You simply click a page and it'll open up the page for you. We try to include videos wherever we can to make it easy to explain. You can also navigate to related pages on the right hand side. You can also click Find Information and click Information and Advice, which will bring up the same Information and Advice landing page. You can also use this menu to find childcare services such as health services or social care services, education settings such as nurseries and schools, activities which are fun activities to do in Kirklees, or you can have a look at our events calendar which will tell you what's coming on in Kirklees. You can also use the search function to find information that you want. For example, if you want to find information about autism, simply click the search bar, type in autism, press enter. This will load up the search results page. You can choose whether you want to look at information pages, activities, services, education settings, or events. Information pages is where most people go, and it will give us general information about what we're looking for. We'll also suggest the most popular pages for your search. We also have information for young people, which is presented in a slightly different way. This is something we're working on all the time. We also have a news feed, which provides information about what is happening around Kirklees at the moment. If you're really struggling to find the information you need, you can contact us at this email address, localoffer@kirklees.gov.uk, or you can call us on 01484 416 919 and someone will help you find out what you're looking for.